In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make and use a sap catcher in Grounded 2. So I believe that to be able to actually make one, you need to firstly have analyzed an acorn top, I think, and also sap. So if you haven't done so already, do so. And then we can click on the B button on our keyboard. So now on the first one right here, we're going to go to the second one and then sap catcher right here. It takes us 1 acorn top, 2 weed stem, and 4 crude rope. And we need to place it, I believe, in a tree like this, basically. And we can start building it. So let's just start building it right here. Yeah, I believe that it's actually done now, right? So basically what happens now is that you need to wait a couple of hours for it to catch some saps. So it's going to automatically catch saps, and it's pretty convenient for us. So after some hours, just go into it and then you can collect sap. And that is basically exactly how to make and use a sap catcher in Grounded 2.